Here's some Karma Yoga trivia. Subscribe. What text is foundational to Karma Yoga? Is it A. Sutras, B. Upanishads, C. Bhagavad Gita, or D. Ramayana? The correct answer is C. Bhagavad Gita. Who is the prince associated with Karma Yoga? Is it A. Nakula, B. Bhima, C. Arjuna, or D. Duryodhana? The correct answer is C. Arjuna. What type of yoga emphasizes selfless action? Is it A. Ashtanga Yoga, B. Karma Yoga, C. Hatha Yoga, or D. Jnana Yoga? The correct answer is B. Karma Yoga. Which deity is central to the Bhagavad Gita? Is it A. Rama, B. Shiva, C. Ganesha, or D. Krishna? The correct answer is D. Krishna. What is the opposite of selfish action in Karma Yoga? Is it A. Selfless service, B. Selfish, C. Grasping rewards, or D. Personal ambition? The correct answer is A. Selfless service. What concept involves actions without attachment? Is it A. Nishkama Karma, B. Self-interest, C. Detachment theory, or D. Egoism? The correct answer is A. Nishkama Karma. Which spiritual path focuses on duty and righteousness? Is it A. Dharma, B. Moksha, C. Karma, or D. Zen? The correct answer is A. Dharma. What does Karma Yoga ultimately promote according to texts? Is it A. Happiness, B. Liberation, C. Wealth, or D. Success? The correct answer is B. Liberation. Which religion predominantly discusses Karma Yoga? Is it A. Islam, B. Jainism, C. Hinduism, or D. Buddhism? The correct answer is C. Hinduism. What is the primary goal of Karma Yoga? Is it A. Self-realization, B. Gaining popularity, C. Detachment from wealth, or D. Achieving power? The correct answer is A. Self-realization. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.